Model, you didn't hear it because I wasn't filming. See that? Putting that big ass boat in there. Can't do it with this bad boy because it's not big enough. It's Mr. Peck. You can't talk to him. He gets real mad. I just found out a minute ago. Well, let's get on there. Let's get on there and see what's up. Mr. Peck. He's a wicked jerk. No, he's not. He's a nice guy. As you can tell, his truck's about as old as, but it still works. That's Mike, the big guy. He's the guy that runs a fork truck. He's Johnny's boy. Yeah, we only have a little tiny dock over here that barely fits in. This is a giant boat. It's got a shoehorn in there. It's like trying to fit a stick of butter in a thing. Look at this thing. It's like barely even fits in there. It's Mike over there. It's John and George. There's another Mike. That's the owner up in there. Nice guy. Drives a '68 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, if I might add. Wave to the people on Facebook. There you have it, right there. 4 more of them going.